Good morning, students. Today we are going to do examples of worksheet 1 of chapter 12. Okay, examples we will do here. I will explain examples. Same as these examples, you will do the questions of worksheet. Okay, in this way you can try the questions yourself also how to do. Okay, example 2 is following are the marks obtained by 7 students of a class. Okay, 7 students are there. There are given marks obtained by that students in a class. Okay, these are the marks given. One by one we will solve these parts. Okay, first, second and third part is given. One by one we will solve this. In first part you have to calculate the mean marks. Clear? Marks are given to you. You have to find or calculate mean marks. We all know that to find mean of any given observations, firstly we will add all the given observations and divide by the number of observations. Here 7 observations are given. Okay, to find mean you will add all these marks. Okay, and divide by 7. After adding you can divide this number by 7. 64 will come. Then this is the mean marks obtained. Okay, in second part, find the mean marks if a student whose marks are 48 is also included. Clear? Earlier there were 7 students. Now one student came, means his marks also included in the list of these marks. Clear? Earlier 7 students were there. Now 48 also included. Included means added. Okay, one student also came who got 48 marks. Clear? Now you have to find the new mean after adding these. Okay, here it is already written here, if the marks of one more student with 48 marks is included. Okay, it is included means it is also added, then the sum of the observations will be, means you will add these 7 marks. Okay, these 7 marks. Okay, the students marks obtained by 7 students and 48 also. Okay, you got the sum this. And number of observations, earlier 7 students were there, now one more student added, now number of observations 8. New mean. Okay, new mean you will write here to differentiate it with the previous one. Sum of observations divided by number of observations, 496 divided by 8. This is the new mean. Clear? This is the second answer. In third part, it is asked, what will be the mean marks if a student whose marks 72 is excluded? Okay, 7 students was there and marks of 7 students were given to you. Out of these 7 students, it is given that you have to find the mean marks of the students when 72, the student who scored 72 marks was excluded. Excluded means take out. Okay, means see here 59, 68 means 72 excluded. Clear? 49, 84, 92, 24. Here we will do, if the marks of the student with 72 marks is excluded, excluded means nikalna. Okay, take out, then the sum of the observations is, now you will not add. Earlier I told you 7 students marks obtained by 7 students was given to you. You will not add this 72 now. Clear? these six left, you will add all these observations marks obtained by rest of the 6 students. Clear? 72 you will not add. It was given in the question. 72 you will not add. Excluded means you will leave this number. Now this is the sum. Number of observations. Now earlier 7 students were there. Now 1 student excluded. Okay, one marks of 1 student excluded means one, you will subtract 1 from 7. You will get 6. Now new mean is this divided by 6. Okay, after dividing you can write the answer. If you will give the answer in this way, it is okay. If you write in this way, then it is okay, no problem. Actually this is the correct way, but if you will give the answer in this way, then it is also okay. Okay, now next is third example. We did this question in class already. I will not explain this question. Okay, this we are already done from the worksheet. Now example 4. The mean of 8 observations was found to be 57. Okay, 8 observations, mean is given 57. Okay, the mean of 8 observations was found to be 57. Later on it was discovered that one observation, that is 48, was misread as 84. Then find the correct mean. Clear? Earlier it was given that a mean of 8 observations is 57. When they did that they checked the question, calculation they did, then they found that one observation which was 48, okay, was misread as 84. Means in place of 48, 84 was written. Okay, you have to find the correct mean now. Clear? Here you will write mean of 8 observations 57. Okay, it is already given. Now we know that sum of all the observations, you will multiply this 8 and 57 to find sum of all the observations. You multiply these two. This is the sum of all observations. Since 48 was misread as 84, okay, in place of 48 by mistake 84 have been written. Okay, then the correct sum of all the observations is, means this was the sum of all 8 observations. This you will write. 84 you will subtract, okay, and 48 you will add. Actually 48 was the correct observation. In place of 48, 84 written. It means 84 you will subtract, and in place of 84 you will write 8. This you subtract, this you will add. Okay, after doing calculation you will get this sum. Now this is the correct sum. Clear? This is the correct sum. Now with the help of this sum you can find correct mean. Correct mean is equal to 420 divided by 8. 8 observations was given, already it was given. Okay, after dividing you get the answer. This is the correct mean. Clear? In this way you can do the question of worksheet also. Okay, and example 5 we will not do. Actually same sum of worksheet we already done of this type. Clear? Okay, you can take help from that question of or sum of worksheet. Clear? Okay, thank you.